Christian just threw in the field art.
Is there anything else in there?
There's stones in there. Take the stones out, and then you can throw that base in there.
The base?
Yeah.
Like this thing?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, it's gonna rot anyway out here in wet weather.
Okay.
Just take the stones out.
Okay. Trying to get grip on them.
There's about 4 or 5 of them in there.
Yeah. I think it's 4. Is there like a plastic thing in here?
Yeah, you gotta take that out too.
Okay, because I thought there was something in here. Y'all do where you're gonna get hit by a stone. That's it.
Yeah, just dump it to the side. All right, here goes the base. Here goes the base. All right. Oh, there it is.
Oh, the sticker. The stick.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Came off.
Oh, did it really?
Yeah. We'll have to get that later.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
We should
Check that out, Christian. That is something else.
try to turn it. The entire thing comes home. Ooh, the pole's hot.
There goes our field art. That was our potted plant.
What's this thing made out of? It's like,
It's like burlap.
God, this pole's
Oh no, it's made out of gasoline. Wow. That thing's hot.
Just make a hole. I think I might have burnt this thing.
It's alright.
So like went down farther. I was like, hope it didn't.
That's alright.
Not gonna have anything to put the thing
Look at that
out.
thing smoke.
God, this thing's hot.
Yeah, be careful.
This entire pole, like, look at all the smoke. Do we have any hoses?
Yeah, if we need one, we got it. Look at that thing. Look at that thing smoke, man.
9/11.
Wow.
Ooh.
Look at the smoke
I
coming
made-
off
I
that
made
sucker.
holes in it.
Look at
Hey,
that thing.
I'm gonna go get Anita.
She's in on a PC.
Okay. You can show her this video.
I'll show her the video.
Beat this thing. Ooh. Look at this thing. I hope the fire department's not like, oh, someone's house is burning. Look at this thing though.
Wow. That thing is making a blaze, man. That's a good fire, Christian.
We threw the thing in there.
The field art.
You should have seen the smoke. He'll show you on the video. Oh, in the bottom of this thing, the poker came off. You have to get that off later.
Look how big that flame
Oh,
is.
it still goes in.
There's little Logie.
Logan's gonna be like, oh, hot. You get back inside.
Logan, stay back.
All these little things.
Just watch him.
It smells good.
Here's our little
Look at my hand.
spotlight over here.
Smoking. Logan.